At first glance, this image looks like just a rocky area. It's actually at the bottom of the river. This is Kanagawa, a prefecture next to Tokyo. It is difficult to find a river near Tokyo that boasts this level of clarity. A view like this spreads out on the water. Details will be explained later. By the way, do you know what this is? This is the roof of a traditional Japanese house. There is a facility near the river that I mentioned earlier where you can tour old folk houses that existed in this area. Admission is free. The white exterior walls are made of plaster, which helps reduce discomfort caused by humidity by keeping indoor humidity at an appropriate level. Enter through the back door. As soon as you enter, there is a kitchen with a clay floor. Kamadu for important kitchen equipment. Used for cooking rice and stew dishes. A corner of the floor cut down into a square and covered with ash, set aside for burning firewood or charcoal. Pots and iron kettles were hung from flexible hooks hung from the ceiling and beams, and were used for cooking, as well as serving as heating and lighting. You can also grill fish or dumplings by skewering fish into the ashes. The area near the hearth was called Irorabata, and it became a place for family gatherings. Daily necessities used at that time are also on display. Lots of storage too. The mallet and wooden bucket in the foreground are used for making mochi, and the barrel in the back is for pickles. I will explain about them later. Thatched roofs are highly durable and have a lifespan of over 30 years. It depends on the material, but the lifespan of a thatched roof made from yoshi is said to be over 40 years. Thatched roofs are highly durable and have a structure that prevents water from entering the building. I'm going to the room. I went during the hot and humid season, but it was surprisingly comfortable inside even though there was no air conditioning. The wisdom of ancient Japanese people is amazing. The room is super cool too. The white door is called shoji, and the white part is made of paper. By the way, the tree that was at the entrance earlier is called Katanyudu, a guardian deity that protects homes and families from oni and disasters that has been passed down in this area. This is a barn that stores agricultural tools. Japanbee provides information about Japan that is not well known. As for the river I introduced at the beginning, it takes less than 10 minutes by bus from the old folk house. This area is exactly crowded with people, but if you go a little further upstream or downstream, there will be fewer people. There is a parking lot right behind the day trip hot spring facility, so you don't have to worry about driving, but it tends to be full during the peak season, so we recommend arriving as early as possible. There are almost zero foreign tourists. Many people were enjoying barbecues with their families. The parking lot can be used for one day by paying a hot spring facility usage fee of 2,100 yen for 2 people. Please see the overview section for details. Thank you for watching until the end. We will be encouraged if you like and subscribe.